Exercise 5a, use plus or minus to represent the following. Consider above mean sea level, profit, rise, north, right, deposit as positive, whereas below mean sea level, loss, fail, fall, south, left, withdrawal as a negative. They told us, they give the hint, if there is above sea level, if there is a profit, if there are rise, if there are north, right and deposit, they are all denoted as positive, and the other opposite quantities will be denoted as negative. So for the profit, this is a plus 50. For the loss, minus 50.
Yeah, negative.
Okay, for the 50 kilometer south, minus 50. For the 50 kilometer north,
plus 50.
yes, write it down, plus 50.
Okay. Now just plus 1. Alright, finished.
Okay, for the 40 degrees Celsius below zero, this is the below zero.
Subtract, see, what do you say, this is negative.
Minus 40.
Minus 40.
Now for the 40 that is above the 0 degree Celsius,
Plus 40.
plus 40. Can you do all of them?
Okay.
Now you have to do this, and after that you have to tell me the answers, okay?
Okay.
Till P.
T. Okay.
Yes. For we have done with the till F part. What is the answer of the G part? 50 centimeter to the right side.
Plus 50.
Okay. For the 8.
Minus 50.
Correct. For the I.
The rise of 50 points is plus 50.
Very good. For the J.
Minus 50.
For K.
Minus 700.
For I.
Plus 700.
For M.
Plus 50.
For N.
Minus 50.
For O.
Minus 20.
For P.
Plus 20.
Very good. Very good. Now we have to move to the question number 2.
The answers are already done. Because I think I didn't do it in the class just because.
But we have to get the concept as well.
Yeah,
Okay. So,
I think
yes.
you can ask your own questions, right?
Yes, you,
Because
yes. For example, these are the numbers. You have to draw the lines first, number line first. Okay. When you draw them, then you get the idea that using the number line, reduce, less, equals, greater in the boxes in each case. So you told me that minus are always less than 0 and the positive integers. So if there is a minus 3, 0 is greater. If there is a minus 4, plus 1 is greater. If there is a minus 7 and minus 5, the smaller number will be greater. Minus 5 will be greater. 0, 4. And here 4 is greater. Okay. 1 and 0. 1 is greater. Now here minus 10 and minus 10. What will be the answer here, Aryan?
will be equal.
Equal, because they both have the same number and they both have the same sign. Okay. Understood? Any question?
So if it is like plus 10 and minus 10, plus 10 will be greater.
Yes, if there is a plus 10 and if there is a minus 10, then plus 10 is greater.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can I move to the question number 3?
Yeah.
What numbers do the colored dots on the number line represents? So, the dots, there are dots. You have to tell what that numbers represent.
Minus 30, minus 10, 20, 30.
I think the first one is the dot starts from you.
4, 0 and 2.
First one is minus
It's 4, 0 and 2.
for the A part.
Yeah.
4. They didn't. There is a minus 4. That is not a plus 4, Aryan.
I know the dot is on the minus 4.
Minus 4, minus 4, 0 and 2. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. For the B part, minus 30, minus 10, 20 and 30.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You have to write the answer in front of this.
Yeah. What numbers the colored dots?
Done?
Should I just like do the number line?
You just have to write the answer in front of the number lines. For example, if there is a first number line, you have to put the brackets -4, comma 0 and comma and 2. Simple.
-4, comma 0, comma 2.
Yes. Done?
Yeah, done.
With the B part also? With the B part also?
0. The B is -20, then -10, and 20.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Now we have to move the question number 4. Mark the given dots on the number line with dots. First, you have to mark the -2, -1 and 0. And same for the B. -4, -2, 0 and 2. Can you do that?
Okay.
Okay, hurry up, do this.
Write all the integers between -4 and 0. It's okay if I'm not writing. Should I just do it on it or should I just write it in my notebook?
No, you have to do this on your textbook because there is a number line is already drawn. There is 6, 3, 0, -3, -6. Then I have to write on each of the following pattern. If I have to start from the +3, +6, then it will be +9, +9, +12 and +15. This is the one side, and the another side same thing, -9, -12, -15. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, this is the question number 9, A part. So the answer will be here like 0. If I put here -3, -6, -9, -12, -15, and here I will put 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. 3 numbers, 3 integers on each side. Okay?
Okay.
So same thing go for the B. No, there is
Not like that.
yes.
Next 3 integers in each of the following pattern.
Yes, on each of the following pattern.
So it's only one side we have to.
No, integers are on both sides now. Plus and minus on both sides.
0, -3, -6.
Yes, this is the one side integer, and -3, -6, -9, -15. These are the another side integer,
Okay.
and collectively they known as integers. Okay, so there is a -6, -8, -0, +8. I don't think so. There is a 0 contains minus here. 0 does not have any sign. There is a +8. There is +16. Okay, there is a table of 8. Table of 8. You have to go to 8, 3, 8, 4 and 8, 5. Okay.
Okay.
And the second thing we have 17, 2, 7 and 2.
7 and 2.
Now for the 17, 12, 7, I think if I these are the positive integers. So 7, 2, and they didn't tell us a specific number. And we have to write the whole integers as well. So I think the next integers, there are the positive, you have to write 0, and after the 0 you have to put like -2, -7, -12, -17. Okay? Yes. Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now we have to do the 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 the next class. What did we learn today, Aryan?
Maybe learn the integers of the additive inverse.
Okay.
Then addition, and then additive inverse, absolute value of
And their
integer,
opposite as well.
and the opposites, and also the say 5a.
Okay.
Then
And what is 5a exercise include?
it includes about integers, the opposites, the greater than, less than, number line,
Okay.
and the integers between them.
And I gave you the question number 5 and
5, only 5.
only 5. Okay, so you have to do a many integers for your practice. It's mean that you have to write the homework, like you have to draw the number line in which you have to represent different digits, like -9 to 9, okay, -5 to 5, 0 to 10, 0 to -10. Okay, you have to use this. You can use any number. This is just kind of example. You have to use different numbers in which you have to start from the positive number to the negative number, and you have to count them, the positive integers and negative integers and all that stuff. Okay, I hope you learned everything you today and you understood, and as well, and you do have any question? No. Okay, so time is up. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. We have to continue the exercise. Which exercise? 5a, and the question number 10. Arrange the integers from the smallest to the largest using the number line given in the figure A. So these are the figure A. This is the figure A. You have to arrange the numbers according to the smallest to the largest. Okay. So for the first one, 7, -8, 9 and -10. Arrange. It will start from -10,
-10,
-8,
-8,
9 and 7. 0, 9 and 7. Yes, just like this. Can you represent A, B and C separately on each number line?
Okay, so 7 it is -10,
Okay.
-8.
You have to draw the number line, then you have to complete it. All the 3 parts of 10, okay? Just like this. Just like this. You have to draw the number line. There is a 0 and it starts from the lowest in the -10, -7, -10, -7 and -10 and -8. This is the positive side and the negative side is 7 and 9. So 7 and 9, just like this. Okay,
Okay.
you have to represent all the other parts as well. Hurry up.
Okay. Wait.
When you're done, let me know. Okay, we will continue the question number 11. State the temperatures recorded by the thermometers given in the figure. You have to just pick the arrow. Okay, you have to just pick the arrow on which the arrow is ending, on which the point in which arrow is ending. You have to pick the according to the positive, according to the negative temperature. In the first figure, the temperature is about 40 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Is it? I'm asking, is it?
The first
You
one.
can measure that with the help of scale. That is exactly 40 or not?
Not.
No, what is the exact amount of this temperature on figure A?
The exact temperature on the figure A, 40, right?
40, yes. You have to write for A it is 40 degrees Celsius.
On which question even is it?
Question number 11.
Yeah, state the temperature recorded by the thermometers given in the figure B.
So figure B, it's mean these all are known as figure B, but these are the 3 different figures.
Okay.
Yes. Have you seen that there is a figure B is written below this temperature?
Yeah.
Yes. They just giving the name of the temperature like A, B and C, but this is the whole figure B. So for the A thermometer, it is 40 degrees Celsius. Write it down. You
30,
can
right?
you can write it on your textbook.
Okay.
Done. Now for the B temperature. The temperature is about minus 10 degrees Celsius. How
Okay.
it is? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Write it down. Look on the book. The red arrow is ending on exactly minus 10. Done?
Yes. Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
And for the C, you have to tell me for the C.
And what is for the A and B?
A is 40 degrees Celsius and for the
Yeah.
B it is minus 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Now you have to find for the C.
Which temperature? Uh, okay. Here only. It is 30.
30. Yes, write it down. 30. Done.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will move to the question number 12. You can do this question on your textbook. State which temperature is lower in each case. You have to find the lower temperature. For the minus 4 and a minus 10, minus 10 is lower. 7 and minus 7, which one is lower, Aryan?
7 and minus.
Minus 7. Then the minus 7 is lower, okay?
Okay.
And okay, for the minus 1 and the 1,
Minus 1 and the 1, it will be.
for the minus 1 degree Celsius and the 1 degree Celsius, which one is the lowest?
Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 is lower, right?
Yes, minus 1 is lower, yes. So, move to the next question, question number 13. Absolute values.
Okay.
I told you how we have to find the absolute values. If there is an absolute value, if the minus 10, we have to find the integers. Write the absolute values of the following integer. These are the integers. We have to write the absolute values. If any integers is enclosed in bar lines and have the negative sign, and we have to find the absolute value. For example, it is minus 10. So this is the absolute value. I have to find its integer. Then 10 will be its integer. The 10 will be its absolute value. Absolute value can never be counted in negative. Remember that. Absolute value can never be counted in
Negative.
negative. Write at this point down. At that absolute value cannot be counted in negative. The minus 10, as I told you, that absolute cannot be have a negative sign. So for this, we have to do, we have this integer, we have to convert it in absolute value. That the minus 10 integer has this absolute value. And for the next number, which is 84, what will be the absolute value of 84?
The absolute value of 84 is
84. Values remain the same. Aryan, values remains the same. We just have to put the positive sign with them. If there is a negative sign, we have to put the positive sign. Remember that. Integers, absolute values cannot have a negative sign. They must have the positive sign. Okay. So find the absolute value of C, D and E. Just tell me What will be the absolute value for minus 73?
Um, 73.
For 64?
It's 64 itself.
Yes. Minus 1?
1.
Yes. Okay. Now you have to write the answers in your textbook. You can write it down in front of them for A, B, C, D, E. When you're done, let me know.
A, B, C, D, and E. The 14th one, right?
Yes. On your textbook.
Okay.
For the 13.
No, okay. Done, ma'am.
Now, Aran, can you do the question number 14? They've asked us to find the exact opposite. You don't have to look on your textbook. Close your textbook. Close your textbook.
Done.
Okay. Now we have to do the question number 14. You have to find the exactly opposite of minus 27.
Okay.
What will be the exactly opposite of minus 27?
27 plus.
Plus 27. Yes, plus 27. Okay. What for the minus 301?
Minus 301.
And then
301.
301 plus 301 plus 61
61 it is.
plus 61.
Yep, plus 61. Then
What will be the opposite of plus 61?
61.
This is a plus 61. You have to find the opposite.
Minus 61.
Minus 61. Yes, minus 61. Okay. For the last one we have minus 1 and minus 8. For the minus 8 and for the minus 1. Yes.
It's plus 1 and plus.
Yes.
Wait.
Plus 1 and plus 8. Plus 1 and plus 8 and plus 1. Good? Any confusion?
Numbers.
Yes, when we put a plus or minus sign with numbers, they become an integers and we can solve that integers. Okay, for example, if I tell you that these are the integers, plus 1, minus 1 or plus minus 1, these are the integers. If I have to do the calculation, what I have to do the calculation. For the calculation of integer, there are 4 steps. First is we can add, we can subtract, we can add the integers, we can subtract the integer, and we can also multiply them. Okay, but there are the few rules for solving them. For the we also multiply them and we can also divide them. But for the each operation, every rule is different from each other. For the addition, we have to solve integers separately. For the subtraction, addition, and the multiplication, today I will tell you all the rules, because in your next topics is like this: addition of the integers. I will cover all these topics. Okay, addition. We can also use addition by using number line. Okay, I already told you about that, how you can solve the addition and subtraction number line. You have to start from the first digit and steps until to the answer. Okay, and we can also addition without using number line, we can also do that. These are the 2 steps. Okay, and the exercise 5b include all this stuff. Okay, and the next question, subtraction of integer, we can also do the subtraction of integers. Okay, and we can also do the subtraction with or without number line. And if exercise 5c is all about this stuff, is it?
Yes.
Yes. And I hope you have only two topics, only addition and the subtraction. Multiplication and division is not included in your syllabus, so I will skip this part. Okay, so we have only two methods. How many methods? Two: addition and subtraction. Before going to the addition and subtraction, you have to remember the few rules. Okay, remember that if there is plus and plus sign between two integers, if there is plus and plus sign between two integer, then plus plus is equal to
minus.
plus, Aryan, plus. If the one integer has no plus plus is equal to plus, not a minus. Okay, remember
Minus
minus is equal to the plus, and plus plus is equal to the plus. These are the four. These are the very very important four rules. Okay, if you learn today, that will help you in all your calculations till matric FSC, inshallah. Okay, so there are the four rules. If there is an addition with both of numbers, for example plus 4 plus 5, then we have to do the addition between these two numbers. But we have to do the addition between these two numbers. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Is it? 9. And we have to notice one more thing. If you are going to do the addition or subtraction, remember that always put the sign with answer from the solution, from the question. If there is a number who has the sign, if there is a bigger number, we have to put the sign with answer from the bigger number.
So if it is like minus plus equals plus,
We will do the minus first. Get the concept of plus plus. We will move to that. You are getting yourself confused. Okay, we will learn step by step. We have to solve the plus, then minus, then another things. Okay, remember that if we are going to solve the addition between the two digits, addition between the two digits, like plus plus plus. Okay, so which number is bigger here, 4 or 5? 5. Remember that if there is a bigger number has any size, rather plus or minus, you have to use that sign with the answer. So here 5 is the bigger number, 5 has a plus, so I have to use the plus sign with the answer. This is the method to your solving the plus plus, because plus plus equal to plus. You have to add them and you have to put the sign from the bigger number with the answer. Got it?
yes.
Now I will move to the minus minus. Minus minus is equal to plus. Minus minus is equal to plus. It's mean that if there is a two digit like minus 4 minus 2, we have to do the addition between them. We have to do the addition between them, because minus minus is equal to plus. So 4 plus 2 is equal to, add 4 into 2.
Those 2.
Yes, add 4 into 2.
4 into 2.
Yes. Aryan, why you are not putting focus?
I am.
I am telling you that if minus minus is equal to plus, is it? Now here we have minus with 4, we have minus with 2. It's mean that we have to do the addition here, because minus minus is equal to plus. So you have to add 4 into 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to
8. No, 6.
6. So here I have to put the sign from the bigger number. Which one is the bigger number here?
4.
4, and 4 has the sign
Minus.
minus. So I have to put minus 6. This is the thing I am telling you, that if there is a negative sign between two numbers, okay, if there is a negative sign between two numbers, so we have to do the addition. Why? Because minus minus is equal to plus. And if there is a bigger number has the minus sign or the plus sign, we have to use that sign with the answer. You have to
What if
write
there
this.
is-
Yes.
What if there is no sign? Like you see the 4,
Yes.
behind the 4 you can see the minus, right? What if there is no symbol over there?
Okay, that is the same question I am telling you in the next page. Okay, I will tell you in the next page. You understood? Minus minus, understood? Now the same question you are asking. What if I have the digit, one digit contain plus sign and another one have the minus? Now plus minus is equal to
Minus.
minus. Very good. For example, if I have a digit which have plus 4 and minus 2, so now I have to do the subtraction here because plus minus is equal to minus. Now subtract 4 with 2, answer is
4 with
2.
2, it's 2.
Now which sign I have to use here?
Minus.
Why?
Plus.
Plus. Yes, got it.
Okay, yes.
Yes, if there is another rule, this is the third rule, the last rule. If there is minus first and then plus, then it is also a minus. This is the same
Okay.
thing, but I just switch their places. Okay, so if I have a quotient minus 4 plus 2, now here I have to do the subtraction, so the answer is 2. By subtracting 4 into 2, answer is 2. But there is a one thing which is different from this part. What is that
Minus.
difference?
4 is greater.
4 is greater, then I have to use the minus sign with the answer. Then answer will be minus 2. Understood?
Yes.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to write each and everything down for the rules of addition, and this is the same rule for addition and subtraction, both of them. Okay,
Okay.
while solving the integers, calculation of addition and subtraction, you have to remember this rule. We have done with the integers of addition and subtraction. This exercise is about the additions of integers. Use the number line given in the figure to answer the following. So the A part, you have to use the number line and you have to represent the answer on the number line. I will solve the which part?
First one.
First one, it's difficult, or I choose a difficult one or easiest one. I will solve only one and you have to solve the others.
Okay, for the wait, check which one.
Can I do the F part?
We do the fourth one. B.
B part, 1 plus minus 7.
No. I meant the fourth one, the fourth question.
No. You have to pick the first question, part A, B, C, D, E, F. From that part.
Alright.
Yes.
Can we do the F one?
F part, minus 16 plus minus 11. So I will draw the number line is still minus.
17 and minus
Yes. Okay, first let's solve this. If there is a minus 16.
11. Okay, if you cannot add on it in the screen, which I see the photo on.
Yes.
Can you not like write on the screen like 12 and then
Yes, I am writing the question number 1, part F.
no, I meant I sent you the PDF, right?
Yes,
You cannot write on the PDF.
I can, but there is not enough space. That's why I'm using the whiteboard.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, so this is the F part. I have to solve this F part. So first I have to finish this bracket. Is it minus 16 plus minus? My plus minus is equal to
Plus.
plus minus
Plus minus is minus.
minus. Now minus minus is equal to
Plus.
plus. I have to add these 16 and 11.
Yes.
Now 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So which sign I have to use here with the answer?
For the 16.
Yeah, 16 is so minus 27. So just like this.
It's minus.
Yes. So here is another thing. You have to solve this thing on number line. Okay. You have to solve this thing on number line. you have to start from the minus 16 and till count to the 11th step, then you got the answer minus 27. Okay, we will